Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best digital multimeter kit that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Astro AI Digital Multimeter. Next on your list is the Astro AI Digital Multimeter. With 6,000 true RMS counts, this multimeter has a wide range of measurement functions from voltage, resistance, current, capacitance, continuity, frequency and much more. Its test slots can hold and help you test the validity of diodes, transistors as well. With its auto-ranging capability, the multimeter, much like most of the units in the list, can measure both the AC current and voltage as well. It has a large backlit LCD and can hold onto data. It has no power button and turns on automatically and turns off when is inactive. The hanging magnet and the kickstand are great storage utilities and make the measurement process hassle-free. Moving on at number 4, we have Astro AI Diode Voltage Meter. The Astro Digital Multimeter was designed safely to unbutton the various domestic and automotive problems. It has many features that can function for measuring resistance, current, and voltages. Rubber protective grips are mounted at the edge of a multimeter and stand at the back to hold multimeter all the time. It also features overload protection, continuity buzzer, and low battery indicator. The color-coding LEDs allows you to check the battery's lifespan. It has a single setting 10 megaohms resistance that functions both AC and DC voltages for home and automotive purposes. At number 3, we have Etekcity Digital Multimeters. This practical toolkit is a good choice for beginners, engineers, and electricians. With this multimeter, you can also test the working of diode and transistor. It is a small-size portable device for measuring the parameters like resistance, voltage, current and used to assemble, repair and diagnose the circuits. Do it all, and then some. The Etekcity MSRR 500 Digital Multimeter is a practical tool for electricians, hobbyists, and general household use. It is easy to operate and features many different functions for measuring current, voltage, and resistance, as well as continuity, transistor, and diode testing. At number 2, we have INNOVA Auto-Ranging Multimeters. INNOVA is an auto-ranging multimeter kit that is widely used in schools, colleges, laboratories and other sources. It is most prominent among all other multimeter devices of various brands. You can also test the respective parameters on a circuit breaker, distribution boards, and industrial equipment. Auto-ranging multimeter allows you to select the correct measurement range when you deal with various components from electronics to electrical sources. This wonderful device can switch to other functions for performing specific tasks like measuring the readings of resistance, voltage, and current on display unit. And finally at number 1. INNOVA Digital Multimeter. INNOVA 3320 is a well-known kit for electricians or home mechanics who can diagnose the car batteries or wiring. INNOVA company has been designing multimeters for automation industry over the years. Of all the multimeters, 3320 model is the best digital meter for home and is the reason for listing in the top. This brilliant kit comes with an inductive clamp and temperature measuring probe so as to check the engine's condition. To display the measured values, R, V, I, it uses color-coded LEDs and features the high-end LED display. The brightness of the LEDs intimates you about the battery life of the device. It can even measure resistance to a range of 10 megaohms. An instruction manual offers guidance to the users with simple instructions in English and French languages. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.